Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. We are going to do today is very important MCQ which will be a very important for the exam point of view. And it will be important for this competitive exam. Let's see what is our topic today. Today we discussion most important chapter here forest and wildlife resources class 10 cbse ncrt text MCQ. You know that there is a text MCQ that's important for the board exam view here. You know that there's a question arrive here. The Chipko movement is in the Himalayas to the protect for the forest cover was started by. You know that is important. The Chipko movement in the Himalayas to be protect the forest cover was started by. Option here Sundar Lai Bhaguna, Dr. Anil Agarwal of cse and Dr. Arun Roy of Kisan Mazdoor Vikas and Madha Patkar. That's the most important. I give you get a few seconds. Test your knowledge. You must have thought of you answer. Let's see what is our answer for these questions here. You know that's important for the exam view. The Chipko movement in the Himalayas to the protect the forest cover was started by. Who is the started this movement here? You know that's an important question for the exam view and the all competitive exam also. You know that Dr. Anil Agarwal of CSEs, that's a note here. And Dr. Arun Roy of Kisan Mazdoor Vikas, there's a note answer here. And Madhua Patkar is a note. The answer here, Chipko movement was forest cover as started by Sundar Lai Bhaguna. That's the most important answer for the exam here. Answer is A. Sundar Lai Bhaguna. That's important. Here next question arrive here. That's important. The question here, how many tiger reserves are there in India? You know that's important for all competitive exam. But then important for the board exam for the 10th class. How many tiger reserves are there in India? The option A 10, B is a 15, C is a 27, D is a 29. You understand question? How many tiger reserves are there in India? Come on, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question here. You know that this question is clear cut here. How many tiger reserve in India? That's important. The option A 10, B 15 is C 27, D is 29. You know that the answer here C 27 tiger reserve are there in India. You know that's important. 27 tiger reserve in India. That's amazing here. 27 here. And the next question here. Which of these statements is not a valid reason for their deprivations of flora and fauna? You know that's an important question for the board exam view here. Which of these statements is not a valid reason for their depletion of flora and fauna? The option here A. Agriculture expansion, B is a large-scale development projects, C is a grazing and fuel boots collection, and D rapidly industrialization and urbanization. You know that is the most important question for all competitive and also for the board exam here. Let's test your first of all your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have thought of you answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question here. The question is very clear. The statements are not a valid reason for the depletion of the flora and fauna. That's important here. You know that A option is agriculture expansion. That's not applicable this answer. And large scale development project, there is nothing here. And grazing and fuel wood collection, that's a note. But main reason here flora and fauna, the depletion, the reason is rapidly industrialization and urbanization. That's important. The answer is D, rapidly industrialization and urbanization. The most important question here, depletion of flora and fauna in India, reason being here, rapidly industrialization and urbanization. That's important. And let's see next question. The next question here, which of the following conservation of strategy do not directly involve community participation here? You know that's an important question. Which of the following conservation strategy do not directly involve a community? It's a participation. The option here, joint forest management, B is a Bees Bachao Andolan, and C Chipko movement, and D demarcation of wildlife sanctuary. You know that the option is great here. The question also is important. I give you few seconds for your test your knowledge first of all. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what are our answer of these questions here. The question is clear here. Conservation strategy do not be directly involve community participation. The option is clear. Joint forest management, beach bachao andolan, chipko movement. But the note about things this answer is correct here. The answer here D. D. Demarcation of wildlife sanctuary. The conservation strategy do not be directly involve community participation. The joint forest management is a participation is directly. Beach Bachao Andolan is directly here. Chipko movement is a conservation strategy is directly here. But demarcation of wildlife sanctuary is not directly here. There is not directly involved community participation here. The answer here D. Demarcation of wildlife sanctuary. That's an interesting answer here. The next question arrive here. That's important. The question here, Buxar Tiger Reserve is a seriously threatened by. You know that the question is clear here. The Buxar Tiger Reserve is a seriously threatened by. The option A, iron ores mining, B, oil explorations, C is a dolomite mining in that area, and D is a volcanic eruption in that area. You know that the option is very important. But first of all, test your knowledge and I give you few seconds. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is answer for these questions here. The question you understand? The Buxar Tiger Reserve is a seriously threatened by. That's the question is directly clear here. There is a Buxar Tiger Reserve seriously threatened by. That's important. The option here, iron ore is mining, oil exploitations, dolomite mining in that area, and volcanic explosion in that area. You know that is the eliminate here. Iron ore is a mining. This is not a here, and oil exploitation. That's not, and volcanic eruption in that area. That's nothing here. The answer you understand? Answer is C. Dolomite mining in that area. You know that answer here C. The answer is correct is a C. You write on the C here. The next question. The Himalayan Alps is. You know that the question is clear. That's very easy. The Himalayan Alps is. The option here A, an insect, B, a medicinal plant, C, a mammal, D, a bird. That's the question is clear here. The Himalayan view. First of all, you check your IQ level. Otherwise, I give you only few seconds. You must have. That's right. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer. This question is here. The question is a journal here. Himalayan view. The Himalayan view has an insect or medicinal plant, या mammals, या bird. That's the question clear. You know that the answer here. Use is not a animal category, not an insect category, no bird category. There is a only here medicine plant. The Himalayans use here a medicinal plant. Their answer here B. Your right answer here, medicinal plant is B answer is correct here. The next question here, the Himalayan use is found in a part of. You know that there is a most important question here. The first of all, use is the planet here, plants, tree, medicine plant tree here. But question is the next here, a use is found in part of. The option is Himachal Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana, West Bengal and Kerala, Madhya Pradesh and Goa. You know that Himalayan hue is found is part of. That is an important question. Test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer this question here. That's important question for the exam view here. You know that Yubs is the Himalaya plant, the medicine plant. Yubs is a Himalayan medicinal plant, but found here where? That's important. Where is it found here? Punjab and Haryana, that's a Himalayan view, means a area of Himalaya. There is area of Himalaya, but Punjab and Haryana is nothing. West Bengal and Kerala, there is all it is rejected here. Madhya Pradesh and Goa, it is not applicable. There is a Himalayan area is nearby. The nearby is A answer is correct here. The answer Himalaya, Himachal Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh, there is a Himalayan use found is a part of. No, that is understand. The answer is A. Himachal Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh is correct answer this question. And let's see next question. Here comes the next question. Extensive planting of a single commercially valuable species is called. You know that the question is clear. Extensive plantings of a single commercially valuable species is called. That's important for the text book MCQ here. The option here A, Jumining, and B is intensive substances farming, C is a mixed farming, and D enrichment plantation. You know that is the option is correct, most important. Test your knowledge. I give you few seconds. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. That is the question is important for the exam view. Extensive planting of single commercially valuable species called. What is called? That's called is important here. The option is a Jumining the nothing is called here. Intensive substance farming is not about thing, and mixed farming is nothing here. Means A, B, C is rejected here. The answer here D. Encroachment plantation. There is important here. The single commercially valuable species is called enrichment plantation. That answer is D here. Encroachment plantation. The next question arrive on screen. The question here, teak monoculture has a damage the natural forest in. You know that's an important question for the exam view. Teak monoculture has a damage the natural forest in Ganga plan option A, B is a South India, C is a Brahmaputra plan, and D none of the above. You know that the question is clear here and important also. You thought of first of all your answer. Test your knowledge. I give you for few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for these questions here. The question is a teak monoculture has a damage the natural forest in. That's important question here for the exam view. The Ganga plan is not applicable this answer. Brahmaputra plan is not an nothing. But answer is a B here, South India. There is a teak monoculture has a damage the natural forest in a South India. The answer here, South India. The answer is B is correct. The next question arrive here. That's important. The question here, cheer pine plantation is the Himalaya have replaced the. You know that the question is clear. Cheer pine plantation in the Himalayas have replaced the option A, Himalayan Orchis and Rhododendron, and teak and sal, babul and Mexican kicker, kickers, and none of the above. You know that is the option is an important option. But first of all, you choose your answer. I give a few seconds here. There is a question is a clear cut here. Cheer pine plantation in the Himalaya have a replaced there. The answer is correct. The Himalayan Ocus and Rhododendron. That's important. A answer. Teak and sal nothing. Babul and Mexicans is a key card. That's not above the and all those above these are rejected here. The answer A. Himalayan Ocus and Rhododendron. That's important here for the exam view. The next question, and I wanted to screen, there is a question here. The species which are there are danger of extinction are is called. You know that the question is clear. The species which are there are danger of extinctions are is called. The option here, vulnerable species, B is a rare species, C is an endangered species, and a normal species. You know that is the option that's great here. But first of all, you test your knowledge. I give you a few seconds for you. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer. This question that's important. There's 11 question here. Option vulnerable species is nothing here. Rare species is not applicable answer this question. Normal species is not nothing here. The species which are the danger. You know danger in mean C option. Endangered species. That's important answer. C is here. Endangered species. The species which are the dangerous species are this called endangered species. The answer is C. C is the endangered species. That is a good answer. The next question arrive here. That's important on screen. The forest cover in our country has recently increasing due to. The forest cover in our country has recently increased. That's important. Increased due to. What the reason for increasing the forestry cover in India? That's important. The option is increasing in the natural forest growth. B is increasing the net sown area. C plantation by different agency. None of the above. You know that is the question is important for the exam view here. And first of all, choose the question in the there is options. I give you a few seconds here. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what our answer for this question. The question is important here. You know that increasing natural forest growth, there's nothing here. There is a question. Forest cover in our country has recently increased due to. Due reasons here. Increasing natural forest growth is not applicable answer here. And increasing the net sown area is nothing. There is reason here C. Plantation by different agency. The agency is a take here. Important is a work here, a step here. There is increasing of forest cover in India. The agencies. That means the answer is a C. Plantation by difference agency. The option C is correct here. The next question that is important here on screen. This question is important. The species was the population has a decline to be level from where it is likely to be moved into the endangered category in the near future. If you the negative factor continue to the operate is called. That's important question here. I repeat again question. The species was a population has a decline to a level from where it is likely to be moved into the endangered category in the near future. If you the negative factor continue to the operate are called. The option here endemic species, B is extinct species, C is a vulnerable species, and D is a normal species. First of all, come on, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question here. The question is clear here. The species was the population has declined as a level from where likely to be moved into the endangered category. Near a future, that's important. If the negative factor continue operate is called. What is called here? That's a option. Endemic species nothing here. Secondary species and normal species nothing is the answer C. Vulnerable species. The option C is correct answer for 30 question here. The option C, vulnerable species. This is the correct answer here. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and share the video as a much as a possible. Do not think subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.